decided we're going to have it here. We don't want this really high because it's for our dog who comes in this area, and she's black, and at night we don't see her. So it's got a pretty easy bracket to put on. Screw that one on. Grab the light. The light here has a solar, which I have it soak in the sun all day. And these are all LEDs. There's this motion sensor. This is all adjustable up and down. So what we'll do is we'll put it in the bracket first. It just slides right in, snaps in. Your solar panel's up. And now we can point some up, we can point some down. Since we want this for our dog, we're going to point this down, so we get two this way, one out that way, one out that way. And then for the sun, it's still not dark enough yet, so if you put your hand over any kind of solar panel, you can put it on. There is a switch in the back, so we're going to put this on. It's already, and it does have different settings on it, so if you don't want it too bright, there's that. If you want just a little bit of light, so that's completely off. It's already dusk, so the solar's working. We have a lot of other solar lights in our yard that are already working, so that's the bright one. It does come with a remote control to help control that too. But then we'll step out of the sensor and see if it goes off by itself.
And okay.
Okay, so the sensor just went on. There's 3 modes. First mode goes on full brightness. Once again, adjust the lights. Got the sensor pointing more down because we want it for our dog. This will stay on for 20 seconds. As long as I'm in the sensor, it'll stay on, but if I walk away 20 seconds. The next mode, if I put it on, it's actually 10%. You know, if you don't want a lot of light, once again, it'll show off in 20 seconds. And then the third one is like 30%, the same thing. Then that's completely off. So that's this first sensor. You could also control it by the remote, where you can turn it on and off, and do also the modes from the remote. And there's a nice little instruction packet that explains that and shows based on what your beam is. Obviously, the higher you go with it, the more light it's going to throw. We're trying to track a small black dog, so we wanted it a little lower and farther this way, so it's perfect for what we're looking for.